Hey guys, how are you doing? I just made slime for my giveaway. There's way more, but right now they're clearing up. I was wondering if you guys like my channel. If you do, subscribe, like, and comment down below slime if you do. And whoever comments down slime, I will make a video of you guys, and if you don't want a shout out, because you guys will know who I'm talking about, whoever says slime in the comments. I will make a video of all my slimes that I've made to give away, and you could pick between like the numbers I give you. There's about 12 slimes, I think. Oh, no, there's way more. And so, please do that. I'll give it until, should I do the end of this month? Or should I do before school starts? I will do the giveaway. This is a really good slime. Like, it clicks. It does an Instagram swirl. It's just really hard because my fingers barely have any space around here because we're moving, so it's kind of hard. And if you don't like the slime, I can make a different color for you. I can make a slime for you. I could put sparkles in your slime for you. I mean, there's a lot of things. If you want a clear slime, just let it sit for a little bit. But yeah, but I have a little capsule for it for you guys, so it might be way bigger than the capsule, to be honest. But it's kind of a little bit lighter than purple, but it's really pretty here. That's not the color. It doesn't show up really well. But I can't believe it's already 5:48. If you're in California, man, it's only 3:48 for you guys. It's been a long day moving. My grandma just went to work a couple minutes ago. My dad's downstairs because we got to transfer the cable over. So, he's working with that guy downstairs. But they're doing that. And my grandma actually will be back in a couple minutes because she just had to see what was going on, see if they need any help. But see, this capsule is about half my size of my hand, to be honest. The slime is, not the capsule. I meant the slime. But just to say, bye.